Kapag ika'y tinamaan, ika'y mapupunuhan. Lakas ng suntok niya galing sa kalawakan.
Laban Pilipinas! Cuatro alas! Ang kampiyon! Ang Pilipinas! Ang kampiyon!
Janrail Casimiro, Cuatro Alas, no, for winning and give pride Merida, no, so for 3 times world champion. Congratulations, world champion, imagine. So, in behalf of the municipality of Merida, I would like to present this certificate of recognition to Janrail Cuatro Alas R. Casimiro in celebration of the remarkable triumph and unwavering pursuit of excellence. The local government unit of Merida proudly honors you for your impressive 4th round technical knockout victory over Luis Neri on June 6, 2026 in Aiki Sky Expo, Tokonami, Japan. Through your accomplishments in the international boxing arena you have brought pride and inspirations to the people of Merida, whom you grown up. Showcase the strength and resilience of Filipino athlete and demonstrated the values of courage, perseverance, and excellence. May your achievements continue to inspire the youth to dream boldly, strive tirelessly, and pursue greatness with honor and integrity. Your success stands as shining testament to what we can accomplish through dedication, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to one's craft. Awarded by the local government unit of Merida, Leyte, the 7th day of June 2026. Congratulations.